Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to find XAUUSD in TradingView. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Let's start by opening up a TradingView chart. This will be your main workspace, where you can analyze and monitor various financial instruments. Once you have the chart displayed, direct your attention to the top left corner and simple click on Search Bar. Here, by clicking on the symbol name, you'll open up a search interface within TradingView. This is where you'll enter the ticker you're interested in. For our purposes today, it's going to be XAUUSD. In the search bar that appears, go ahead and type XAUUSD. This is the ticker symbol for gold versus the US dollar, which is a primary vehicle for traders looking to speculate on or hedge against gold price movements. As you type, TradingView will display a list of relevant results. You might see different variations like XAUUSD or more descriptive results such as gold spot against US dollar, XAUUSD, or Forexcom USD. Once you've located the appropriate XAUUSD listing, click directly on it. Doing so will open the live chart for the gold dollar price right before your eyes. This chart is dynamic, providing real-time updates, which is vital for anyone looking to make informed trading decisions. And that's it. So that is how you can find XAUUSD in TradingView. So that's all for this video. Thanks.